Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. My name is Karen. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my earliest bracelets designs back in 2012 and how I make it. Before we start, I would love to say welcome for anyone new here. I post videos about healing stones and DIY jewelry tutoring. And for my return subscribers, welcome back. What I'm doing right now is to use this silver polishing cloth to make the silver parts look shiny. And these parts are not paired in the first place until one day I found that the spaces went really well with this long charm. So I decided to use them in one bracelet. And this style is really simple but vintage, bold looking and never out of date. What we use here is the needle, black elastic cords and the charms, and 10 mm rainbow obsidian round beads. Okay. If you want to know how to make elastic quartz bracelets, please check out the video right above. And remember to wear rainbow obsidian bracelets on your right hand to remove negative energy. I'm wearing a silver sheen obsidian large beads, 12 mm. I just love obsidian, you know. And this bracelet is made to order because one bracelet cannot fit all resize. So I'm just showing you how to make it. It's raining heavily outside, but it's okay. And some subscribers, they asked me how to make that opening needle for threading the beads. I'll show you in this video. That's done. It's very unique. For this opening needle is actually made with 0.3 mm stainless steel wire. You cut any length that you need and then use the pliers to clamp it just a little bit right here, like this. So you can make any length that you need on your DIY project. Like if you need to thread in the charm like this and you have to make it longer. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.